Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add terms and condition checkbox on Shopify checkout. So this is pretty easy. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what we need to do is first we need to head over to our search bar on top and search in here for terms and conditions. And just like that, my friend, you can see we have terms and conditions in App Store showing up. Now we just need to wait, and you can see we have termsy. I agree to terms and checkbox. This is gonna include this kind of checkbox, and I highly suggest this one. So make sure to directly install this, and boom, you're good with terms and condition checkboxes on Shopify checkout. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.